Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter number 16, The Mysterious Visitor 2. In the earlier chapter, we have discussed the mystery of the mysterious visitor is revealed to everyone. They all came to know that there is no one under the bandage. It was a complete black darkness under the or inside the bandage. And now at last the three-person, Mr. Hall, Mr. Sandy Edgar and Mr. Jefford, the policeman, came to arrest the mysterious visitor. And in this chapter we will discuss how they will arrest, whether they will be able to arrest or not. Now the three men has entered in the room and they could see that there was a body, but it does not have a head on it. They can see a man without head in the candlelight who was eating a food. He was eating a food which he has taken or robbed from the kitchen. While looking towards him, one of them said, "What the devil is this?" What the devil is this? By this he means that whether he is a person or something else, because every human being is having head on his or her shoulders, but he is not having. He was a man without head. While looking towards him, the policeman Yaffa said, "Whether he is having head or not, I will arrest him and take him to the prison." On listening the Jaffar's word, the visitor said, "Keep away," means keep away from me. He put down his food and Hall lifted a sharp knife in order to catch him, in order to catch a visitor. The visitor pulled off his one glove of left hand, and threw it on the Jaffar's face. Although he put the glove or threw the glove on Jaffar's face, still he was holding him by his or with his hand, which was no doubt not visible.